Tai Chi ball rolling. What is Tai Chi ball rolling? Okay, so basically think of the yin-yang symbol. Okay, you get the positive, the negative, the dark, the light, the up, the down, the complete opposites. This basics behind Tai Chi, grand extreme, right? So what we do is I'll do this in class, I learned this a long time ago. If you rub your hands together really fast, the backs of your hands, pretend you're washing your hands with energy. So instead of water, turn on the faucets, and you're washing with energy, okay? Rub your fingers together like this. Okay, build up energy, a lot of heat. I want you to build up a lot of heat, okay? Knock your knuckles together. I want you to relax. I want you to stand comfortably relaxed. Rub your hands together. Take a deep breath and just relax and pretend you're holding an energy ball, okay? Sort of like a grapefruit size. And this is the Chi ball. This is the Tai Chi ball that everyone talks about, rolling the Tai Chi ball. And then we're rolling this Tai Chi ball. And the whole point behind this exercise is very fundamental, but very, very important, is that you're harnessing Chi energy. And the more you do this, the more you can feel it. You can grow it, shrink it, rotate it, rotate it. This is rotating the Chi ball, rotating the Tai Chi ball. And you can rotate it in many different directions. In fact, does this look familiar for parting the horse's mane, parting the wild horse's mane, right? We're actually splitting energy, right? But we don't want to split right now. We want to talk about the Tai Chi ball. And that's all this is we're rotating the Chi ball. And I can feel it the more you do this. I mean, I can feel from here, when I press in, I can actually feel this hand pushing this hand. It takes a while to build that, but if you start slow and just imagine, relax your whole body. All these exercises are meant to really improve your mind, body, and spirit, but you gotta get into it. You gotta be relaxed. But that's the basics behind rolling the Tai Chi ball.